Good morning students. Today we will be studying about interest on loan. Now interest on loan can be broadly categorized into two parts: when the loan is given by partners to the firm, and the second case is when the firm gives loan to the partners. Now let's take the first case, when the loan is given by partners to the firm. So it is a liability for the firm, and on this the partnership firm will be giving interest to the partner. Now the rate at which the interest will be paid is as per the deed, or if there is no deed between the partners, so the rate of interest on loan will be 6% per annum. The journal entries for charging interest on loan will be interest on loan account debit to partners loan account. Then this interest will be transferred to profit and loss account. So the next entry for transfer will be profit and loss account debit to interest on loan. Now let's take the second case, when the loan is given by firm to partner. In this case, the loan is an assets for the firm, and on this loan the firm will be receiving interest from the partner. Now the rate at which the interest on loan will be charged from the partner will be as per the partnership deed. One important point to be kept in mind, that in the absence of any partnership deed, in this case no interest will be paid on loan given by firm to partners. So again I am repeating, when the firm gives loan to the partners, in the absence of partnership deed, no interest will be paid on the loan which is given by the firm to partners. The journal entries will be partners capital / current account debit to interest on loan. When the capital is fixed, it will be transferred to current account. When the capital is fluctuating, it will be transferred to capital account. Second is for transferring, the entry would be interest on loan account debit to profit and loss account. Now what is the nature of interest on loan? The nature of interest on loan is a charge against profit, means whether the firm is having profit or not, or if there is a loss, in that case also the interest on loan will be paid to the partner or will be charged by from the partners. So whenever it is a charge against profit, this will be shown in an account known as profit and loss account. That is why while passing the entries, we have written profit and loss account, and here also we have written profit and loss account instead of profit and loss appropriation account. Now the second adjustment related to is rent paid or payable to partner. Now rent paid or payable to partner is also a charge against profit, means it will also be shown in profit and loss account. Now the journal entry is, when the rent is paid, the entry would be rent account debit to cash / bank account. When rent is payable, the entry would be rent account debit to rent payable account, and it will be transferred. The transfer entry will be profit and loss account debit to rent account.